Political militant Islam portal Jihadism is a 21st-century neologism found in Western languages to describe militant Islamic movements perceived as existentially threatening to the West and rooted in political Islam. It has been described as a difficult term to define precisely because it remains a recent neologism with no single, generally accepted meaning. The term jihadism first appeared in South Asian media. Western journalists adopted it in the aftermath of the September 11 attacks of 2001. It has since been applied to various insurgent and terrorist movements whose ideology is based on the Islamic notion of jihad. Contemporary jihadism ultimately has its roots in the late 19th and early 20th century ideological developments of Islamic revivalism, which developed into Qutbism and related ideologies during the mid-20th century. The terrorist organizations partaking in the Soviet-Afghan War of 1979 to 1989 reinforced the rise of jihadism, which has been propagated in various armed conflicts throughout the 1990s and 2000s. Gilles Kepel has diagnosed a specifically Salafi jihadism within the Salafi movement of the 1990s. Jihadism with an international, pan-Islamist scope is also known as global jihadism. Studies show that with the rise of ISIS, many European Muslims, from countries like the Netherlands, Belgium, the UK, France, and Switzerland, traveled to Syria to join the global jihad. The term jihadism has been in use since the 1990s, more widely in the aftermath of the 9/11 attacks. It was first used by the Indian and Pakistani mass media, and by French academics who used the more exact term, jihadist Salafist. According to Martin Kramer, as of 2003, jihadism is used to refer to the most violent persons and movements in contemporary Islam, including Al-Qaeda. David Romano has defined his use of the term as referring to an individual or political movement that primarily focuses its attention, discourse, and activities on the conduct of a violent, uncompromising campaign that they term a jihad. Following Daniel Kimmage, he distinguishes the jihadist discourse of jihad as a global project to remake the world from the resistance discourse of groups like Hezbollah, which is framed as a regional project against a specific enemy. Most Muslims do not use the term, disliking the association of illegitimate violence with a noble religious concept, and instead prefer the use of delegitimizing terms like deviance. The term jihadist globalism is also often used in relation to jihadism. Academic Manfred Steger proposes an extension of the term jihadist globalism to apply to all extremely violent strains of religiously influenced ideologies that articulate the global imaginary into concrete political agendas and terrorist strategies. Jihad cool is a term used by Western security experts concerning the rebranding of militant jihadism into something fashionable or cool to younger people through consumer culture, social media, magazines, rap videos, toys, propaganda videos, and other means. It is a subculture mainly applied to individuals in developed nations who are recruited to travel to conflict zones on jihad. For example, jihadi rap videos make participants look more MTV than mosque. According to NPR, which was the first to report on the phenomenon in 2010, Majid Nawaz, founder and chairman of the anti-extremism think tank Quilliam, defines jihadism as a violent subset of Islamism. Islamism, the desire to impose any version of Islam over any society. Jihadism is the attempt to do so by force. According to Rudolf Peters, scholar of Islamic studies and history of Islam, contemporary traditionalist Muslims copy phrases of the classical works on fiqh in their writings. On jihad, Islamic modernists emphasize the defensive aspect of jihad, regarding it as tantamount to bellum justum in modern international law, and the contemporary fundamentalists view it as a struggle for the expansion of Islam and the realization of Islamic ideals. Jihad has been propagated in modern fundamentalism beginning in the late 19th century, an ideology that arose in the context of struggles against colonial powers in North Africa in the late 19th century, as in the Mahdist War in Sudan. and notably in the mid-20th century by Islamic revivalist authors such as Sayyid Qutb and Abul Ala Maududi. The term jihadism has arisen in the 2000s to refer to the contemporary jihadi movements, the development of which was in retrospect traced to developments of Salafism paired with the origins of Al-Qaeda in the Soviet-Afghan War during the 1990s. Jihadism has been called an offshoot of Islamic revivalism of the 1960s and 1970s. The writings of Sayyid Qutb and Muhammad Abdul Salam Farag provide inspiration. The Soviet-Afghan War is said to have amplified the jihadist tendency from a fringe phenomenon to a major force in the Muslim world. It served to produce foot soldiers, leadership and organization. Abdullah Iyas